Good evening everyone. So here we are here to solve question number 5.19 and 5.19. So trolley of a mass 300 kg carrying a sandbag of 25 kg is moving uniformly with a speed of 27 km per hour. So from here you can understand that which type of trolley they are talking about. Any trolleys are there and it has a mass weight of a 300 kg and there is a sandbag on the trolley which has a weight of 25 kg. And this trolley is moving with the speed of 27 km per hour, right? It is moving with 27 km per hour with a uniform speed, and there is a frictionless track. Okay, after a while sand start leaking out of the hole on the floor of the trolley. See here, sand is leaking out at the rate of 0.5 kg per second. Within 1 second, half kg sand is leaking out. Okay, so what is the speed of the trolley after the entire bag is empty? So speed of trolley after empty, sandbag become empty. So for change in a speed, for change in momentum, or we can say that change in momentum, there is a requirement of external force. But as we know that no frictions are working, no extra forces are working, and due to change in CA, mass of the system is also changing. Since here, see here, the velocity is constant and mass is constant, so momentum is equal to mass into velocity. So mass of the system will remain constant. Why? Because sand is leaking, but the system mass has fixed mass. Why? Because sand is leaking on the floor of a trolley itself. So definitely mass is constant and speed is also constant, as well as no external force is applied. So there is no change in momentum. So definitely there is no change in momentum. No change in momentum of the system. Momentum of system, which refers that velocity will remain constant. Velocity of trolley will remain constant, that is 27 km per hour. 27 km per hour. I hope you have understood, guys. You have understood. So thank you everyone. Thank you.